All right, speed demons, you made it. You've successfully navigated the entire WordPress Rocket course. That's right, give yourselves a gold star. Your websites are about to become seriously speedy. And let's be honest, watching a website load slowly is about as exciting as watching a snail race. Over the past 7 lessons, we've dived deep into the core of WordPress Rocket, going from understanding its fundamental magic to mastering cache settings, playing around with advanced caching, minification, database optimization, and even figuring out how to debug those pesky common issues. You're basically website speed whisperers now. You've learned how to grasp WP Rocket's core functionality, optimize caching settings for maximum speed, use advanced caching techniques to supercharge your site, minify and optimize code like a coding ninja, clean up your database for faster performance, troubleshoot common problems so you're always up and running, monitor and analyze your site's performance to keep improving. Now, the real fun begins. Go forth and implement everything you've learned. Your websites will thank you, and so will your visitors. Don't be afraid to experiment, test out different settings, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The world of web performance never sleeps. Thanks so much for joining me on this journey. Now go out there and make the web a faster place.